Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 2nd. This is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, definitely a little bit of a slow day. We are coming into the 4th of July weekend, but we have non farm payroll this week on Thursday instead of Friday because Friday is Independence Day in America, and there's definitely going to be a lack of volatility that day. But if you've been following along with my videos, you know that I've been spending the last several weeks doing nothing but recommending longs in an uptrend because the daily, weekly, and monthly time frame is still up. And I do not disagree with anybody that says that we are due for a much bigger pullback. I definitely do not disagree. But the market has given us no reason to think that yet. Today, what happened? We had one, two, three waves down. Not really the perfect Fibonacci bounce, but damn close to it. Nice engulfing move to the upside. Whether or not this is going to go up and make a new high, I'm not really convinced because there definitely does seem to be a little bit of a lack of volatility. Maybe it really will go down. For me personally, I am still going to continue to look for longs because it could literally go down, bounce from a fib level tomorrow, and go back up, at least until we get this breaker structure. This is the breaker structure that is going to turn me into a seller. Otherwise, I would still really highly be focused on going long every single chance I got on these shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.